Good day, everybody. I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to use the Vocabulary Foursquare activity that I designed for you for helping you to learn vocabulary a little bit better than hopefully some of the things that we've done in the past. So, just so you know, I will not be giving you all of the terms at one time. Just like with our writing journal, I'm going to be sliding in slides throughout the week and having you work on them either as bell work or as an exit ticket activity. So I made an example here using the word remorse. When you get your slides, they will all look like this. However, this center part rather will have the terms that you need to use preloaded for you. The side parts will not, but there are placeholders here for things like text as well as for photos. So I'm going to show you what the expectation looks like. This one is incomplete. I left out a few things just so that we could go through this fairly quickly. So in the top right corner here, that is the synonym web, where you're going to place your vocabulary term in the center, and then you're going to look for three synonyms for that vocabulary term. On the opposite corner, you have your antonym web, in which you're going to place your vocabulary term in the center and then look up antonyms. So for this one, I already selected what I want to put in. So we're going to put in the word pride, because I think pride is the opposite of shame. And if we're going to go with like opposite words for remorse, if I felt shame and I was going to feel something that's the opposite of shame, then I'm going to feel pride. Um, for this corner here, this is our Envision board. This is where I want you to find 4 different um, images that would represent what this word means, or what it means to be experiencing this particular word, since it is an adjective there. So we would then go to Google. You could type in any one of the words that is either the vocabulary term or one of its synonyms, and look for images that go with that. You select images here, and I'm going to look for something to represent shame. So you'll see there's tons and tons of pictures. I think I want to go with something that's kind of artsy fartsy this time, because I like the artist who's trying to use art to show me what emotions look like. So I'm going to look for one that I think speaks to me. Um, I like this one. This one's actually kind of cool, where you got this really neat kind of like wedge almost on top of the person. I like that one for shame. So I'm going to drag it over and hover it over the tab with my slideshow on it. And then I can just hover it over where I want it to drop, and you see it just drops it in there. That way, when I go to look at this, it's already pre in there. So the next one I'm going to look at is over here. This is the opposite corner from our photos. And in this case, what I've got here is a remember, a rememe, where I want you to use, instead of creating a sentence, um, I want you to use your word um, as part of a meme. So you're going to create a meme. Don't search for a meme for it. I want you to create a meme using a photo and the term. So if everybody's turning in the same meme, I'm going to know you guys were looking. Which, by the way, you guys all pick the same ones all the time. So I'm going to say, let's see, I want mine to be funny. So forgot to knock before going in um the going in the bathroom. So you can do the math on why poor Kitty is so shocked. All right. So when you're done with all of that, you'll get like 3 or 4 words a day, at most 5 words a day, because the human brain is only capable of holding new information in like sets and threes, maybe up to five. So we're going to do it in kind of little small spurts until we get through our full list. And then we'll have other activities as well to practice those. So if you have any questions about the assignment, feel free to ask. You can also review these instructions anytime.